Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x8024401c, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, the first solution is to reset Windows Update components. I have a script for you, and all you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, and paste the script here. Now, I will explain what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot to folders. It will re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? Okay. And then if this doesn't work, we can always run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.